Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is Orphic Y'all. And today we're going to go a little bit of an update in the garden. As you can see, we harvested our onions and let you know that this week's pantry shop was a little bit of a bust. We've been eating fresh out of the garden and enjoying the fresh produce on a regular basis. We did our normal Monday pasta dinner, so we did use a jar there. We got invited to a family event on Saturday, so we did have to run to the grocery store and buy some ingredients so I could make roasted potato salad. And then we decided to jump in the car and go celebrate with my mother her 70th birthday. We did have salmon night though. That was really awesome. I think that was on Sunday last week. To get rid of a jar, I made a pear cobbler as well. Talk about awesome. So we did use a couple of jars, but most of the stuff we've been doing is eating out of the garden fresh. So hopefully next week we'll have a better update for you guys and we'll have a better report on how many jars that we've used. So thanks so much for sticking with us. And until we see you on the next video, bye, y'all.